What's up, everybody? We are in Ioannina. I'm here with Mr. Haris Kaskanis. You can search on Instagram, YouTube, LinkedIn, and now.
Maybe.
Where are we now?
We are really gathered.
Ligiadas.
Yeah.
Gonna check out the view here, drink a coffee.
Great view.
Hey guys, first time coming up here. It's my third time in Ioannina. I never had the time to come, but it is sick. The view here is amazing. Oh.
Watch out.
Ioannina is a town which spreads around Lake Pamvotida, located in the northwestern side of Greece. The city has a great vibe and you would be surprised by what this place can offer you. What is up? So today we are going to do a big run for Damon. I'm being the support on the bike with our things here on the back, some water, some supplies, and it's around 30 kilometers around the lake, and let's see how it goes. Too late. We have successfully completed the run around the lake, and it was then time to fuel up the energy again. We went for the traditional Greek dish called souvlaki, which in this case was grilled chicken on a skewer, pita bread, French fries, and the famous tzatziki dip. Besides enjoying the lake, mainland Greece offers you several different options of activities, and we chose to go to a canyon called Vikos Gorge, which was quite impressive.
What goes around comes back around. What goes around comes back around. What goes around comes back around. Comes back around. Comes back around. What goes around comes back around. Comes back around. Comes back around. Hey.
On this pleasing mountain drive, you can find many ancient stone bridges like this one, called Kokoro, which dates from the 1750s. We then returned to civilization and decided to go find a place somewhere around the lake to enjoy some good drinks and more traditional Greek food.
What goes around comes back around. What goes around comes back around. What goes around comes back around. Comes back around. Comes back around.
After this busy day, I met Haris again and we couldn't escape from going to some bars.
What'd you say? What'd you say, Haris?
spent quite a lot of time in this city, and through Harris I met so many people that almost felt like I was a local, so big thanks to him. Good vibes, great people and beautiful places. This is how I would describe Ioannina, and if you get the chance, don't miss to experience this city. If you are the type of person that likes to experience history, you can also enjoy yourself by visiting the museums within the castle of Ioannina. That's it guys, thanks for watching. Make sure you hit the like and the subscribe button and stay tuned to see where I will go next.